With climate change becoming more obvious, people are becoming aware of their lifestyles. As individuals, being sustainable starts with lifestyle design and how we consume things. Individual actions may seem like they don't do anything, but they all add up. Unfortunately, not many people know where to begin or end up feeling overwhelmed. This guide is for people who are ready to start living a sustainable lifestyle. Before getting started, decide what your reasons are for wanting to become sustainable. Writing this down will make it much clearer and more motivating. All reasons are valid for going zero waste. Knowing your why will help you to stay motivated when things become challenging for you to continue. In this video, you'll learn 7 things you can do to be sustainable right now. Number 1. Eliminate single-use plastics. Whether in your kitchen or office, waste is everywhere. Before switching to sustainable alternatives, focus on eliminating single-use items. Observe the trash you generate every week and do a trash audit. This will help you to see where the waste is coming from and how you can eliminate the source. Number 2. Use what you already have. You don't have to get new products to be sustainable. You can buy sustainable alternatives once you've used all of your existing products. In fact, this is the first rule of living a zero-waste lifestyle. Use what you already have. Number 3. Start thrifting. Thrifting is an easy way to redirect waste from going to landfill. You're not only repurposing an item, but also reducing demand for a new item. Moreover, buying secondhand is budget-friendly. Number 4. Rethink transportation. 29% of CO2 emissions come from transportation. Walking, using public transport, and cycling are easy swaps for sustainable traveling. It's not only sustainable, but it can also help your health. Number 5. Start composting. Composting is an incredible way to reduce waste in landfills. You can either buy a composter for your home or dispose your waste in a local composting unit. Composting not only reduces wet waste, but also turns waste into useful fertilizer. Number 6. Be part of a community. Joining a community of eco-friendly people can help with becoming more sustainable. For example, you can involve your friends, family, and colleagues to clean up trash. Organized action creates a visible impact. And you'll stay motivated to continue taking conscious actions when you support one another. Number 7. Beware of greenwashing. Companies today are jumping on eco-friendly trends, and the outcomes aren't always good. Words like eco-friendly, green, and all-natural are slapped all over products. Even if the products are sustainable, the packaging or manufacturing process may not be. This is greenwashing, marketing that doesn't mean the product necessarily has any positive environmental impacts. Start shopping from authentic sources that have the necessary certifications. You can also go local to find stores that you can trust. Here's the bottom line. These steps are for anyone who's ready for a more sustainable lifestyle. You have the potential to make a big impact to protect and heal the planet. You don't need to do everything all at once. You can just start with one sustainable habit at a time. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel.